If you're looking to increase your visibility in 2023 and you're trying to do it yourself through paid ads, this is where you're probably messing it up. To be successful with paid ads, you need to understand this key concept. Running ads on Google is completely different than running ads on social. If people are seeing your ads on Google search, then that means they were seeing your ad because they have intent, meaning they search for something related to your service or product and they are actively searching for you or what you offer. If they're seeing your ad on TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, for example, then they do not have intent. And in that moment, they were not searching for you. Your ad was shown in front of them and interrupted their flow. So to be successful with paid ads, the content in your ads needs to cater to where you are running your ads. If you're running ads on Google, then your audience is actively searching for you. Typically, this means that they have a problem, they're aware of it, and they are actively looking for a solution. So the verbiage in these ads should not be problem-aware focused, but instead focus on the solution and building credibility. If you are running ads on social, then your audience isn't searching for you, and they are probably not aware of the problem that you solve, or that they even have the problem, or that they're even thinking about it. So your content should be problem-aware focused. If you're looking to get results in 2023 and grow your business faster, comment the words "Let's Grow" or reach out to me on Instagram.